Hey, what's up, guys? Matt King here with All Things Funnels, and I wanted to show you guys today a little known secret. May not be a secret, I don't know, but it is a secret today to you guys, and that's one thing that you guys can add into your business right now. Could be tomorrow. No, doesn't matter whether you even have a business. If you have expertise, if there's something you know how to do and do it well, you can add this one little service into turn it into a continuity program and create a business tomorrow. It doesn't matter. You can create it from scratch. I'm going to show you right now how to create it from scratch. But you could also take the same concept and actually add this right into an existing sales funnel that you already have. So if you have an opt-in funnel with a sales page and an OTO, all you have to do is add another OTO. If you don't have an OTO, this makes the perfect, absolutely perfect one last stop OTO so that you guys can sell somebody something, get them to know who you are, get them a little bit of, hey, this is who I am, this is what I do, and this is the result that I can get for you, and then hit them with a continuity offer where you're going to help them out. So maybe you're going to help them out with, let's say, maybe direct access, Voxer access. Maybe you're going to do some accountability. Maybe you're going to do some other level of coaching. All right. So these make the perfect service-based continuity offers, and you guys are going to love these. So here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to run real quick through this funnel, and guess what? If you guys stick around and watch this, I'm going to give you the same funnel today for watching through this. Okay. So let's do this. All right. So there is a I call it the two-page forced continuity. And what happens is you actually, this is on the ClickFunnels Marketplace, first of all. You guys can go there, purchase this, but I'm going to give it to you, okay? But what happens is they're going to go through a sales page, and then they're going to purchase something. Could be anything. Could be, you need to pitch them, right? So here's what this looks like. You're going to pitch somebody with a sales offer and a video that just says, hey, thank you so much for purchasing whatever it is that you just purchased, and then you're going to lay on them a new offer, which is your continuity offer. Guys, keep it simple. Do not try to get in really complex and try to offer these guys like 50 of your best things. Here's bonus 1 through 10. Keep it simple. Offer them one thing that they need. I've noted it doesn't matter what niche you're in. Accountability and helping people with questions and answers is one of the best-selling continuity programs, okay? So that being said, you can put that right here. You can make a little video that says who you are, what you're doing. If it's an OTO, just tell them, hey, thanks for purchasing what you just purchased. If you guys have questions, and you want them answered like I've always wanted my questions answered, then guess what? I've got the perfect opportunity for you. You'll have direct access to me, and I'll be able to answer your questions. I've got Q&A calls on Wednesdays and Fridays, whatever days you guys choose, and you guys purchase now. Then I'll load you guys into my continuity program for $1 today, and then after 30 days it'll kick into whatever, $297 a month. I'm not pitching you guys, by the way. This is just some example copy that you guys could use. Okay, you guys can put whatever video you guys want, make a little video with your cell phone, and turn it around, put it back on them. All right, the second page is an order page. All right, guys. If you have a sales page, they click the button, they go to an order page. After they come over here to this page, they're basically going to put in their information, their name, their email address, their phone number. If you want to collect that, you should probably put like a zip code field or a contact shipping field in here, as sometimes Stripe doesn't like it when there's not enough information. You want them to be able to, you want the actual offer to take place. You want the transaction to take place. So make sure that you're collecting enough information so that Stripe doesn't think there's something shady going on, all right? Down in the description, if you guys are on YouTube, there's a link. You guys can pick this up right now. If you guys are already ClickFunnels users, this will go right into your account. If you guys are not ClickFunnels users, this will give you the opportunity to pick ClickFunnels up and get a 14-day free trial. Okay, so the product, whatever it is, a subscription-based offer, maybe it's $297 a month or $1. You'll put that here, and that'll be on a 30-day delay. This down here is actually a bump, but it says terms of enrollment. Now, here's what's cool about this is they're clicking this, and it's actually putting a like a $1 product into their into their cart. They don't actually see that until it gets to the next page and the confirmation. But from what and they can't click the order now button, complete my order, until they click this. So that's the beauty and the magic of how this little page or how this funnel works. It's kind of cool, real simple, and I think you guys are really gonna like this. So once they do that, once they input all of their information, they can click complete my order, and everything is clean and ready to go. All right, the only other page on this funnel, guys, is a confirmation page. Real simple, tells them exactly what they just got, and from there, they're good to go. There's nothing else that really needs to happen. You guys can see what this looks like if you click here, or if I click here, and then you guys see what's on the screen, right? So there's nothing here because there's no actual sale that took place. But if you guys you guys can brand this. You guys can do whatever you want. You guys can add this into any funnel, create a blank funnel, create something brand new, and it's already there. It's ready to go, guys. This is as simple as it gets, and all you have to do is be ready to deliver on that product. Okay, do keep in mind, continuity programs generally come with churn, so you will always have to be driving people through leads. You'll have to have lead flow. You'll have to have maybe a little bit of sales flow, and always have people going to these OTOs. Have a follow-up funnel in place. Have your email sequence ready to go. So if they didn't take this OTO, you can follow up with them and ask them to join up on your program at another date in the future. I already left the link down in the description. Go pick that up over at ClickFunnels. If you guys are already ClickFunnels users, if you guys want to save $800 off of a 6 months subscription to the Platinum program on ClickFunnels, pick up Secrets Masterclass. So you're getting about a 30% discount if you do that. Guys, it's down in the description. If you guys just want a good deal, that's where I'll leave the links. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell so you guys find me the next time that I'm making videos. Okay? I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay awesome.